What's the meaning of autogenic? Autogenic. Autogenic.
Autogenic. Autogenic. Autogenic refers to something that originates from within an organism or system. It is a term frequently used in biology, medicine, and psychology to describe processes that are self-generated or self-regulated. For example, autogenic training is a relaxation technique that focuses on calming the body through self-suggestion, while autogenic inhibition is a reflex in muscle contraction that helps prevent injury. Autogenic processes are typically driven by the internal state of the organism or system, rather than external stimuli. Thus, the term autogenic emphasizes the inherent self-regulating capacity of living systems.